So I got the cables taken apart, and what I found is that instead of the wire being broken, it's actually shorted. So you can see over here, my meter lead on the ground pin, and what's going on? There we go. So I got the meter on a ground pin, or shield, whichever you want to call it. But if I put it here, of course it's not going to do it now, but anyway, there's a short there somewhere between get a pointy stick, between these wires and this conductor. So take it apart further and let's see if we can figure out what it is. Okay, so let's go from there to the center ring. Make sure it's not shorting on the tip. Can't see that, can you? I don't know, maybe there's this wire here, maybe, possibly. I don't think it's long enough to short. Maybe another one was. Don't see any other loose ones. Now what? Let's try the other one. Let's go ground first. Nothing. And you can see that they're well soldered. Well, okay, so that one's not. I don't know if you can see that, but we can fix it. Little flux on it. Flow a little bit of fresh solder into it. Beautiful. Okay, now put it back together. Should only go together one way. I guess it would help if I backed you off a little bit. There we go. And then this goes on. Actually, I need to put this on first. So this on the other one actually wasn't. Yeah, on the other one wasn't split all the way up. Not that it really matters, but okay. I'm gonna check this one again. Something just weird. A problem just went away. That piece there, get it out of the way. I do not know. I thought I had found the problem, but now it seems to have gone away. All right, where you at? Should be like right there. There it is. All right, I did not look to see which two are ground. It's those two. And then this is the line. So let's see. Seems to be good. That seems to be good. Oh, I think maybe we're shorting. Yeah. Okay. That was this end. All right. That'll do her.